Alright, and of course, my remote battery dies. Welcome back to Sleep with Barbecue. Today we're getting involved in a collab with Rich from Just Cook the Damn Food. We're going to do our rendition of a corned beef, potato, and egg hash for breakfast food. Alright, as you can tell, we went back of our wok. Really did enjoy that cook until I was afraid I was going to run out of charcoals, but we're going to go ahead and get this heated up, and we're going to do our potatoes, sliced potatoes first. Our potatoes are in. Our go-to is going to be Uncle Steve's SPG. We'll put a little bit more of that on there once we get them turned over. This is just going to be one of these days. I can't find my Teflon safe spatula. The batteries on my remote control just died. But we're going to get this done. A little bit of Uncle Steve's SPG. The potatoes are starting to brown up a little bit. I want to add a little bit of cayenne. Let's throw in our onions. I'm not saying red onion. This is actually a sweet onion and a red onion. What I had left over in the refrigerator, I didn't want to break open, start slicing into some new onions. I can make use of some of the old ones. I did start breaking them up a little bit. I'm going to add some more oil in here. You can break these potatoes up more if you want. I remember when we used to make it, you know, the potatoes, I like potatoes personally. I like them to have a little bit of bite to them. Not as in spicy, but you know, a little bit of spice don't hurt either. But I don't want mashed potatoes with my hash. Alright, let's give it a check. I did get a little piece of pecan on there. Yeah, I think this is ready. Okay, next step. Alright, so we had some leftover corned beef brisket flat that I chopped up. Get that meat back in here, get it warmed up. Dice it up a little bit more. I'm back to the potatoes, you know, I like to sort of kind of like to, you know, be able to have, you know, a chunk of the meat along with the potatoes. Alrighty. Yeah, there's different ways of making this. I mean, there used to be a little diner up here, but of course, big business ran everything off around here. But some more of the Uncle Steve SPG. But she would make her hash browns. I'm sorry, corned beef hash, and it would be actually in a skillet. It would be served to you, cooked and served to you on a skillet, which is out of this world. But unfortunately, they knocked the old farmers market down where they were at, and no more auctions, no more Helen's Cafe. Not there anyway. I understand she did open up about 40 minutes down the road. Just have not confirmed that yet myself, and the wife and I take a trip down there one day. Oh yeah, got a little crisp on that corned beef. Alright, come on here of our mozzarella. Again, I do apologize for all this traffic noise, but nothing I can do about it. Like I say, if it being the weekend before the holiday, it's probably somewhat the reason why. Get this covered up. Let's sit there just for a couple minutes. Alright. There's more in here than this plate's going to be able to handle. I'll top it with a little bit more cheese yet. Can't go wrong with enough cheese. Alright, we got our wok cleaned out. One more step. And I hope the man above is looking out for me, because I am not an egg cooker. Never have been. We're going to give it a try. Alright, we're off the Weber kettle. Still steaming. Eggs got a little crispy on the edges, but I'm alright with that. There you have it. Hashtag St. Patty's 2026. There you go, Rich. Thanks for the invite, buddy. Alright, let's dig into this thing. Whole lot more food than one person could eat. Excellent. eggs got a little more done than I'd like to see them. But it is what it is. Daggone. Stretch.